What is up? Jason from jasonbrock.com, and I'm back with another video. And what I'm showing you guys right now is how to make money even if you're dead broke. If you have pretty much zero money, even $100 to your name, you can make money. So over the course of the past 30 days, I've went on a thrifting / retail arbitrage challenge. And what I wanted to do is pretty much put myself in a position of somebody who didn't have money, just starting out, to show you guys how easy it is to make money in today's modern society. I've been telling this to friends, and they're just like flabbergasted how easy it is. And I by no means have come up with this. I did not invent this method. This is a method that if you type in retail arbitrage, there'll be a ton of good channels. Stephen Rakin, good buddy of mine, has a great channel that covers some of this. There's another guy who I followed, Homemade Entrepreneur, was another individual that I followed, and I learned a lot from just watching these guys and how they operated. So I'll put a link down below to their channels. You can check them out. But what I wanted to do, because I've done a lot of videos before, some of you guys have probably watched me, and one of the things, people wanted to do coaching, and they're just like, man, I just don't have money, I don't know where to get it, I don't know where to start. And I used to kind of show them certain things, but a lot of times you need capital. And you can't just jump into Shopify. You can't just jump into Kindle. You can't jump into, whatever, right? So here's what I did. And I'm gonna show you exact products that I did. I've made over $3,000 in the last 30 days just doing this. Simply going to the store, getting the eBay app on my phone. I use eBay. A lot of you guys might use Amazon, but I've been using eBay. I find it very simple to do. I scan the barcode on the box. Let's see a pair of Under Armour boots right here. I scan the barcode on the box. It'll tell me exactly how much these are selling for. You want to search by completed listings and sold listings. You do not just want to say, oh, there's a bunch of people selling it. You want to see exactly how much things have been selling for. Ideally, if you can find stuff that has sold, in the last like 20 or 10 days, that's even a better indicator of how quick you're going to be able to flip that product. Because the name of the game is really to get these items and to flip them very quickly. And I've experimented on doing like 99-cent auctions. Sometimes that goes really well. And what I mean by a 99-cent auction is simply going in there and putting these, say I would start these out for 99 cents in a 7-day auction, no reserve, and just see if they would sell or not. They may sell, they may not, oh, they will sell. But I bought these for $34. This is a Reebok shoe, a CrossFit Nano 8. Pretty cool shoe, good training shoe. It retails for $129 on Reebok.com, which it doesn't mean a lot, but that is a good indicator of the value of a product, is what the manufacturer sets out their price. So $129, I believe, is what these are retailing for. I actually have two right shoes. I got a ton of these shoes. A lot of times if you find a good item, I'll go back and buy them again and again. I use Marshalls. I use a store called Burlington. Some of you guys where you live have a Ross. And so what you do, and if you live in a bigger city, you can really stack up some good inventory. So, and these are exactly what I'm selling. This is March 10th. And so if you guys have these locations, or if you guys have these stores in your location, by all means, get these products and throw them up there. This channel is all about trying to help you guys make more money and have a good time doing it, and enjoy yourself and start building up some cash flow and capital. Again, I made $3,000. That's net profit in 30 days. I'm going to continue to work this method. Is it the most glamorous in the entire world? No, it's not. But it will be a good way to make money. And once you start doing stuff like this, you start to unravel different layers of the game. And I might end up hooking up with a supplier that sells these shoes or this coat or these boots, and just really kill the game in that level. So I'm gonna show you some of these products that I've been selling, and I'm gonna jump off here. I know you guys got a lot of stuff to do, so I'm gonna sell, when I sell these, they're gonna have a left and a right shoe. But yeah, $34.99 for these. These go anywhere from $69 to $89. I think I even sold one for $99. Super cool, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Grab these shoes. If you find a variation, it's CrossFit Nano 8. Good shoe. Grab yourself one. It's Detroit Tigers Levi jacket. A lot of stuff that sells really well, guys. Again, I'm not inventing the wheel here. But I'm gonna go over some stuff that sells well. Some products that Nike sells really well, obviously. But this channel's not gonna be I'm not dedicating this entire channel to this method, but as I travel down this journey and go down this road, I just want to show you guys exactly, you know, what you can do, especially if you have a limited budget. I think the title of this video is going to be like, if you're broke, do this, or something like that. Because if you are broke, yes, you might not have the capital that I had to start with, but if you have $100, I went down, and I don't have the thing here. I wish I would have done a video on it. I went to a thrift store literally 2 minutes from my house, and it was this weather. It's man, I'm just gonna pull it up here. Let me see if I pull it up here. Go to my sold listings. Scroll through. I've been selling a lot of stuff. I'm gonna scroll through it and try to show you what I've done here. Here's one. I'll show you this one. I bought this Canon printer. I don't know if you can see it or not. Bought this Canon scanner, I should say, old school scanner for $6. I sold it for $40. And that was at a thrift store. Thrift stores, you can really rake in some good money, especially if you can find stuff new in the box. I found this other thing. Here it is. This Davis Instruments Weather Wizard. I got that for, I think, $39, plus I get a military discount. And I sold it for this thing right here. I sold it for $119 plus $20 shipping. So again, guys, this stuff is all around you, especially if you live in a big city. Detroit Tigers Levi's jacket, trucker jacket, I think they call this. Super cool, fashionable jacket. I picked this up for $34.99. Sold this anywhere from, again, $79 to $89. That is a good profit margin. Now, granted, eBay is going to take some fees. PayPal is going to take some fees. But there is still enough meat on the bone for you guys to make money on this stuff, especially if you can buy this in bulk. I've got a bunch of these down in my basement on wire racks ready to ship out when they sell. Does it fly? Does everything fly off the shelves? No. But some stuff will. When you search, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but when you go, okay, you're gonna pick up your phone, you're gonna get this eBay app, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna go down and you're gonna see there's a thing where a picture is, okay? You're gonna scan it. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are familiar with the barcode scanner. You're gonna scan it and you're gonna see a bunch of these show up. This particular boot, this is an Under Armour Bozeman boot, okay? Pick this up for $40. The MSRP is $149.99. I'm selling this anywhere from $99 to $129, mostly on the $99 side. But once eBay takes their fees and PayPal takes their fees, I'm left with about $40 to profit off one pair of boots. It literally takes me to drive down the street, to grab these, to get back into my truck, get back home, list them, 30 minutes. Again, it's not the most glamorous thing in the world. You're not solving, world hunger or anything like that, but you're making some money. You're getting some cash flow coming in. And that's pretty much it, guys. Couple things. I've got a bunch more stuff. I just wanted to show you. These are some of the main profit makers that I found. Again, feel free to steal what I've done and make some money for yourself. If you do find this helpful, if you do use this method, make sure you hit me with a like. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope that you guys enjoy some of this new content that I'm going to make. I want to start making some new videos for you. I've had a couple people request that I make videos. And I miss you guys. Make sure you drop a comment down below. And we'll see you guys on the next video.